Let's now consider how I aim, therefore I am can be applied to the enterprise. I've led teams toward multiple finish lines throughout my career. With the STARS Foundation, we are well on the way to our goal of serving 20 million children by 2020. With Al-Dabbagh Group, we have an ambitious goal of being one of the top 20 wholly owned global family businesses by 2020. When I moved to public service in 2004, I applied I aim, therefore I am to dramatically shift the investment climate. We set our sights and made huge leaps toward being top 10 by 2010. I've been inspired by organizations with bold finish lines like Creusa Timé with their 2021 National Curriculum Goal and AfriKids with their 2018 Sustainability Finish Line. In every case, the clarity of the goal is accelerating success. Have I convinced you why you must aim? Now let's talk about how. How can an organization develop and deploy a bold finish line that is more than a pipe dream? It begins with a strategy process that will help you define your finish line. As a businesspreneur and not an academic, the process I will share is admittedly a hybrid of the many approaches I've learned over the years. I try to keep it simple by focusing on 3 key steps. Step number 1, successful model benchmarking. Go out and find out what the best of the best looks like in your arena. When I was leading the Saudi Investment Authority, we benchmarked against very successful models in Singapore and Ireland. Step number 2, stakeholder interviews and brainstorming workshops. Get out in the field and talk to the stakeholder, the recipients, the partners, the government agencies. Then pull key players into sessions to wrestle with the problems and work toward innovative solutions. STARS Foundation strategy development included interviews and brainstorming with donors, partners, thought leaders, volunteers, NGOs, and beneficiaries, and led to our 20 million children by 2020 finish line. And step number 3, use ongoing analysis of relevant statistics, research, and reports. Be careful not to make up your answers based on incomplete homework. The numbers, the stories, the insightful reports are usually close at hand. You must be voracious in consuming them. In Al-Dabbagh Group, we apply statistics, research, and reports to our strategy development in all of our business planning efforts. How ambitious should your finish line be? Should you abide by the old advice to under-promise and over-deliver? This is not my philosophy. I believe every finish line should be a stretch. It should be ambitious, perhaps even audacious, and it must be made public. Yes, public, all to create purifying pressure, to unleash the full potential. Let's consider now how to bring I aim, therefore I am to life. This part of the process is about actionable language. With my teams, I ask that the finish line be described quite simply. What? What exactly are we trying to achieve? When? When can we expect to realize our goal? The process I have defined may seem lengthy and weighty. Actually, it should be just the opposite. I encourage you to define your finish line rapidly and with a light touch. Why? Because finish lines become more ambitious once you apply the golden rules. In concluding this first golden rule, I trust you understand the urgent need to apply I aim, therefore I am to yourself and your organization. Now you have a process for defining your own finish line. Principles, values, and the first golden rule. These will propel you forward.